Alright, welcome back to my mom's channel. Hope y'all had a blessed day. We're about to go do some honey garlic barbecue wings. We got all the sauces over here. What is that? All-purpose seasoning. We got the onion powder. We got the honey. And we got the cut-up season.
Yeah.
This is the minced garlic.
Yes.
Yeah, there we go.
Yes. 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of that. This is our paprika seasoning.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon.
Yes.
That's good enough.
Yeah. Give it the color.
This one?
It's about a tablespoon.
Yeah, around a tablespoon of that. Black pepper.
1 teaspoon.
All-purpose season.
Put a lot of that.
Whole heap.
How about a tablespoon? Yeah, a little bit more. Alright, that's good.
Jamaican them and seasoning. The onion powder right there, sir.
About a teaspoon.
Now we got the honey. Product. Two tablespoons. We already put about 1 in there.
Yes, look at that goodness. Alright.
We're gonna get down and dirty with this. We have some cornstarch. I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of it to hold it all together and things. Put 1 tablespoon of this.
What's that?
Virgin olive oil.
Put more, full of it. Yeah.
This one.
Alright.
Ready? Oh. Getting too messy.
Your wings, you know, it fly away. Oh
still,
my, look at the color.
I'm like them still alive.
Yeah. Wing fly away, that's so fine. Oh, well done, Amir. Alright. That's a goodness. So that's it? Oh, Amir, it smells so good.
Yeah. I have 2 cups of flour. We have some salt. And we have all-purpose and some little bit of black pepper. Just put a little bit.
So basically you put a pinch. Maybe quarter teaspoon each or so, or half.
Over here we have an egg, butter some egg, and then we're gonna put it on it. 1 egg, by the way. You don't need too much. Alright, so this one we're using the deep fryer. Yeah, it's ready. We're gonna get this.
Oh my, look at that, Amir. So good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yes. Can put like 2 more pieces. There's lots of fat in this one here.
Yeah.
Alright, for 1 more.
Perfect. Alright, so guys, we're gonna let them fry from like 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. And they'll be ready. If you see them golden brown, then they'll be ready. So it's pretty much finished, so I'm gonna lift it up, clean it up. Now I'm gonna put them over here.
Alright.
Barbecue sauce that came with it. Just squeeze it all out.
And my peeps, a next suggestion, you could add the honey after with the sauce now, because you can't fry it on too much high heat when you add the honey. So just a suggestion there. Okay, go ahead.
Let me have the little honey garlic.
I'm gonna pop on the honey garlic sauce now. You can put about 1/3. Squeeze out all of it. Yes, dripping. So it comes with 2 sauce. I'm gonna put all of it. Okay. And if you want, you can put some hot pepper on it if you like it hot, but we're gonna give my daughter some. I mean, I bet it's the first time you're making this, eh? All right, and that's it, guys. Wow, and that's it right there, guys. So you have to tell them, Amir.
Pretty simple process. Just follow this steps. And you'll have some nice wings.
Yeah, and you gotta taste one for them, right?
I'm gonna taste one. Let me get on camera. Alright guys, I'm finna show you how I eat wings. Feel me? First I grip it right here. And then, you feel me? I eat it in one bite, you know what I'm saying? So
one bite? Oh my god. That's it? One bite? Let's show them the bone that it cooks. Cooks right down to the bone, okay guys? Juicy. One bite, I'm here, so where's the rest of it? Where's the little hard part? Oh god. Oh my goodness. So there you have it. My son make honey garlic barbecue chicken wings. Alright, have a good day. Bye guys.
Ready?
I'm here, you did well. You should do it more often.